Hey guys, today I'll be reviewing Easy Traffic Blueprint. This is the sales page of Easy Traffic Blueprint, and it is a step-by-step video course that teaches you how to get quality laser target traffic. So in the front end, which I'll be members area, which I'll be covering real soon, the front end product is $17, and the front end product consists of 3 phases, which I'll be covering. Let's just go through a brief overview of what these 3 phases are. So firstly, it will use free social media traffic, and the social media that he will be using is Facebook. So he will be teaching you how to not be spammy on Facebook and how to use legitimate ways to grow your target audience and visitors to your website without spending at all on ads. So it's organic and free traffic. Yeah. Next is the the scale up phase, which you will have to use paid traffic. This is obviously all optional. If you want to stick completely to just phase 1, then by all means you can do so. But in phase 2, this is where you can increase your traffic by using paid traffic, and he will also take you through the process of how to set up, what to do with using paid traffic, and the commissions you can get from it. Also, the way he recommends is you use the money that you have earned in phase 1 to pump into phase 2 so that you can compound the money you make. Next is phase 3, passive traffic phase. In this phase, he basically teaches you how to go into a different social media network to expand your traffic reach. Yeah. So I keep saying he, but I never explain who this is. So this is the guy. This is the teacher of the course, Ahmed Ali. So yeah. In this video, I'll be talking about the members area, the upsells, and the bonuses. So like I said, the members area is $17, consists of the intro, phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3, which I already spoke about just now. So next is let's go straight to the members area. So once you purchase the product, this is the page it will bring you to, a welcome page, and it will just give you some steps on the introduction and some steps on what you'll have to do, like bookmark this page. And next is signing up for this free live training. Next is joining the Facebook group, subscribing to the YouTube channel, and this is where you access the actual training. So if you click on here, it will bring you here. So this is the introduction, and this is the upsells, which is the first upsell is residual cash formula, and the second upsell is reseller license. And this is what it looks like. So residual cash formula, it basically teaches you basic affiliate marketing, and the upsell is $37, but the downsell is $27, so it's $10 off. And for the upsell number 2, which is the reseller license, allows you to sell this Easy Traffic Blueprint for 100% commission on all products in this sales funnel, which is the front end $17, residual cash formula $37 or $27, and the reseller license, which is $47 or $32. And by the way, this is a $15 discount, so if you get both downsells, it will be $10 plus $15, which is $25 discount. Yeah. So in this step 1, they will also give you a done for you marketing funnels. Yeah, we're going back to the start here members training area. So this is where we're at, and it will give you a done for you marketing funnel so that it helps you fast track your success, right? So after that is continuing to phase 1. So if we click on this, it will bring us to phase 1. So in phase 1, it's the free organic Facebook traffic phase. So like in the title, it says it uses free organic Facebook traffic. It's 6 modules long, 2 to 4 videos each, and some of the topics covered are listed here. So using a personal profile, this is what he recommends to use. using a personal profile. So the first module will be profile setup and optimization, talking about the profile photo in the first part, in which he tells you the right types of profile photos to use. Next is the cover image. There are two ways of you getting a cover image. One is either using a image creation service like Canva, or using a paid service like Fiverr and hiring a graphic designer for about $5. Next is the intro, display details, and featured posts. So when people land on your page, on your profile, they will know what it is you're about, what kind of value you can provide them, and whether they might add you as a friend. So next is the second module is growing your network. So is adding your friends, accepting friend requests, and attracting targeted prospects. So it'll be attracting people that will be interested in whatever that you might be able to provide for them in value. Next is the module 3, which is the Facebook algorithm, and this is one of the most interesting modules in my opinion. So it teaches you how to, in a way, hack the Facebook algorithm so that you get traffic directed to you for free. So firstly is interacting with new friends, how you interact fast with new friends. Next is timeline and newsfeed interaction. After that is story interaction. Yeah. Next is posting content. Excuse me. So in posting content, you will likely need to use an image because those convert better. It's better for engagement as well. So here he lists some of the royalty-free image sites, and also combining it with Canva so that you can edit your image to whatever it is your post is catered to. Yeah. And next is posting your timeline and stories. After that is posting in groups. And in module 5 is private messaging strategies. So in this module, I don't really agree with it, but not. Yeah, I don't find this the most helpful module, mainly because if you're going to be messaging people, it is going to take up some of your time, and you could be using your time with other things. But the reason why he says to use private messaging is because it engages with your audience well, and it actually shows that you want to give value to them. So firstly, he mentions that you can message up to 3 to 5 people a day, and I'll just go through this first. So he says PM new friends, response to inquiry about your offer, whatever it is your business offers, and starting personal message in response to action they took. So all of this includes the 3 to 5 people that he recommends you to stick to, as in do not go more than 5 people, so that you are able to focus in on whatever they need. And he also teaches you how to not be too pushy or too annoying in your response. So he teaches you methods of how to approach them as well. And with the response to the action they took, so this is basically you following up with them on the progress that they've made on the action they took. So you basically give them value by helping them with whatever problems they have in terms of the business, or whatever it is that your expertise is. So next is the 6th module, is the daily action plan and checklist. So it just there's a PDF file for you to download. Here is a task list as well, and in Excel sheet so that you can check it off. And finally, in this module is the cleaning up your friends list. So it's just a bit of housekeeping to remove all the accounts that have been deactivated, or even those people that you may not want to keep around. Yeah. So next is phase 2. So like I said, in phase 2 is the traffic scale up phase, and like I said, it uses money made from phase 1 to pump into paid ads. So when you pump it into paid ads, you basically compound your earnings. So here it teaches you how to use solo ads, and next is activating a tracking pixel, so it allows you to track where your clicks come from. and it helps you with your analytics so that you can sort of analyze your traffic, so that you know where they come from, you know the demographics, you know which type of traffic converts the best, which type of demographic converts the best. Next is finding solo ad sellers. After that is creating tracking link and placing order. And finally, improving your conversion. Next is phase 3, which is the passive traffic phase. I keep saying passive. And it is like I said, expanding to different traffic sources, other social media sites, and basically how to automate everything. So firstly, he talks about content marketing, and this is the part where he talks about using different alternative social media sites like Twitter, YouTube, Tumblr, Reddit, those kinds of things. So firstly, you want to identify your target market. Next is finding topics for your content, and finally is content creation. Sorry, that's not the last. And finally is content sharing and distribution. Yeah. So these are all this is basically the entire video course from phase 1 to phase 3. It has a lot of videos, and I would say it's bang for your buck, because you're learning from someone who has gone through this, who has experience in this. Ahmed Ali, yeah, he teaches you all of this, and I would say it's great value. So right now, let's go to the bonuses. So these are the bonuses that are free for you. Firstly is the banners traffic system. Next is the fast traffic bot. Third is one we've already seen, which is the done for you affiliate marketing funnels in was it phase 1? Here it is. Next is the 4,217 ClickBank money links. After that is the viral commissions and lead systems, and finally is the 10K per month in 22 days training, which we have also seen, not here, but here. Yeah. So these are all the bonuses. If you guys want to check out this product, I'll leave a link in the description. And yeah, I would say this is very, very newbie friendly. If you're just starting off and you want to learn how to get traffic for free, firstly, and if you're on a tight budget, that's great. That's great for those starting off who don't have a lot of capital, let's say, or let's say you're on a tight budget. This is great, right? Also, it's up to you if you want to skip straight to phase 2 and eliminate phase 1. That's also up to you. Or if you want to skip straight to phase 3, that's also up to you. So yes, guys, that is basically all for the video. I really hope you enjoyed and receive value from this video. If you did, I hope you leave a like, leave a comment, and even subscribe if you want more content like this. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.